Hey ladies and gentlemen, safety squints engaged, ear protection. You know it's getting serious. So I already started grinding before I videoed, but so I gotta get this guy off. It's all messed up. So as you can see on the bottom it's welded and on the top it's welded. It's almost like it's not serviceable. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grind the top washer off so I can slip the whole thing, you know, down. So let's get to it. All right, so that went well. Now to fix that hunk of junk. Yeah, fun times. All right, ladies and gentlemen, what I'm gonna try to do, I'll show you. Hole saw. I'm gonna try to get in there and cut this around so this whole bracket comes off. It's a long shot, but I have nothing else to really do to make it happen. So we'll go from there. Ladies and gentlemen, I decided to go ahead with that type of thing. Now, I got that sucker out. So, this weeble wobbled. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I've decided to reuse these because they have the perfect angle for the caster amount, and they still got a hole. And I'm cutting them off, as you guys can see. So this is the the right thing to do the wrong way, kind of. I'll show you. So once I get the other one cut off, right there, I'll show you what I mean. There we go. All right, I'm done messing around. All right, I think that's pretty good to weld there. So we'll go from there. All right, I'm gonna be cutting the other material. I think I'm gonna double up because I have the same top material that warped, but I think I'm gonna double it up so we have double strength. And I'll show you another trick that I think I'm gonna do that I'm gonna like. All right, so I got bar stock, that's this size. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut two and sandwich them together and weld them together for ultra beef at 7 inches. Alrighty, so I got these two. I'm going to double them up. right, ladies and gentlemen, I have to cut 2 holes. I'll show you why later. I need to grind these up to get ready for welding. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I got it all laid out here, attached. It's the best I can come up with at this point. Let me just tack it on there and go from there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, forgot to tape a whole bunch, but got it welded up, had some welder problems, but that's beside the point. So here's the old plate I cut out. As you can see, there's the uprights, but ooh, that's swivelly. But yeah, here we go. Here's the newness. So I doubled this up. I had to drill both holes, and you can see I welded that in there, welded that washer back on there. I think we're good to go. So this is nice and tight this way. So I'm gonna have a fun time getting that spacer in there, but it's not a big deal. We'll get it. I saved a lot of money doing this, and hopefully this will last a lot longer than the last one. So even though, how the heck do you bend 1/2 inch thick steel like that? We'll see how that does. So that's double thick. Thank you. Well, this might be a little thicker, but yeah. So had to use a stick welder over there, right there. Yeah. So I did finish. Now I got to clean up. Maybe let it dry. Yeah, I used some John Deere green paint. Obviously, got to have it match and look good. Got to put the wheel back on and go from there. So a little quick fix, and yeah. All right, well, thanks for watching, and I'm gonna de-schwitz now. All right, have a good one.